Hello friends, myself Nimisha. Welcome to ACE Academy. Question is find the LCM and SCF of 510 and 92 and verify that LCM multiplied by SCF is equal to product of the two numbers. So in this question we have to find LCM and SCF of 510 and 92 and verify that LCM multiplied by HCF, that is we have to verify LCM and HCF of 510 and 92 is equal to product of the two numbers, that is product of 510 and 92. So to find LCM and HCF of 510 and 92, we use prime factorization method. So we write here solution. Now we do prime factorization of 510. For this we write 510, draw vertical line like this. We start from smallest prime number. So smallest prime number is 2. When 510 is divided by 2, we get quotient as 255. So we write 255 below 510. Now again we start from smallest prime number. Smallest prime number is 2, but division is not possible with 2. So next prime number is 3. So division is possible with 3. When 255 is divided by 3, we get quotient as 85. So we write 85 below 255. Now we again start from smallest prime number for division. Smallest prime number is 2. Division is not possible with 2. Division is also not possible with 3. Now next prime number is 5. Division is possible with 5. When 85 is divided by 5, we get quotient as 17. So we write 17 below 85. Now 17 itself is a prime number. So 17 is divided by the number itself, that is 17. When 17 is divided by 17, we get quotient 1. So we write 1 below 17. Now we write 510 as product of prime factors. So 510 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 17 multiplied by 1. Now we do prime factorization of 92. For this we write 92 and draw vertical line like this. Now we start from smallest prime number. Smallest prime number is 2. Division is possible with 2. When 92 is divided by 2, we get quotient as 46. So we write 46 below 92. Now we again start from smallest prime number. Division is possible with 2. When 46 is divided by 2, we get quotient as 23. We write 23 below 46. Now 23 is prime number. So 23 is divided by the number itself, that is 23. So when 23 is divided by 23, we get quotient 1. We write 1 below 23. Now we write 92 as product of its prime factors. Now 92 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 23 multiplied by 1. Now we find SCF. So to find SCF, we write 510 and 92 as product of their prime factors. So 510 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 17 multiplied by 1. Now 92 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 23 multiplied by 1. So to find SCF, we find common factors among 510 and 92 and write them only one time. So here 2 is common factor among 510 and 92. So this 2 is a common. So we write 2 one time only. Next common factor is 1. So we write here 1 only once. Now SCF is equal to 2. No other number is common among 510 and 92. Only 2 and 1 are here. So we write 2 and 1 and do their multiplication. So SCF is equal to 2. So SCF of 510 and 92 is equal to 2. Now we find LCM. So to find LCM, again we write 510 as product of its prime factors. So 510 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 17 multiplied by 1. Now 92 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 23 multiplied by 1. So to find LCM, again we find common factors among 510 and 92. So common factors among 510 and 92 is 2 multiplied by 1. This 2 is common here. This 1 is also common. No other numbers are common among 510 and 92 as a common factors. Now we write multiplication sign, and we also write the numbers which are not common factors among 510 and 92. Other numbers also we write down. So here 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 17 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 23. So all other numbers we write here. So LCM is equal to 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 17 2s are 34 multiplied by 23. So here when 30 multiplied by 34, we get 1020, that is 1020 multiplied by 23. When 1020 is multiplied by 23, when 1020 is multiplied by 23, we get 23460. That is 23,460. So LCM of 510 and 92 is 23,460. Therefore, LCM of 510 and 92 is equal to 23,460. SCF of 510 and 92 is equal to 2. Now we do verification. So we write here verification. Now LCM multiplied by SCF is equal to. So LCM of 510 and 92 is 23,460. SCF of 510 and 92 is 2. So when 23,460 multiplied by 2, we get 46920, that is 46,920. We give this equation as 1. Now product of the two numbers, that is product of 510 and 92 is equal to, so product of 510 and 92 is also equal to 46,920, that is 46,920. So we write as equation 2. Therefore, from 1 and 2, it is proved that LCM multiplied by SCF is equal to product of the two numbers. Hence proved. In this way, we can find LCM and HCF of any two numbers, and we can verify that LCM multiplied by HCF is equal to product of the two numbers. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Please like and subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get more updates. Thanks for watching it.